Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a recovery USB or grabbing Windows 10 install media so you can boot independently of the damaged OS. Once done, back up essential files to an external drive or cloud and confirm your Microsoft account and license info. This prevents activation headaches later. Then reboot into Advanced Startup using Settings or Shift plus Restart. From there, choose Troubleshoot. You must act now to avoid further data changes, and entering the right recovery environment gives you the tools to repair or reinstall. You should try System Restore if a restore point exists because it undoes problematic updates or drivers while keeping your files. If that fails, select Reset this PC, choose Keep My Files to preserve data or remove everything for a clean start. For deeper issues, open Command Prompt and run DISM to repair the component store, and then SFC to fix corrupted system files. These tools fix the OS layer. Once they complete, make sure to reboot and recheck startup behavior before proceeding to reinstall if necessary. After repairs or a reset, finish the installation flow and install drivers. Then run Windows Update repeatedly until everything is current to prevent recurring issues. Restore your files from the backup and sign in with your Microsoft account so settings and licenses sync. If Windows still won't boot, use the recovery command prompt and run bootrec /fixmber/fixboot and /rebuild to repair the bootloader. If that fails, consider reinstalling from USB. Make sure your backups are verified first so you don't lose data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.